Hello and welcome. My name's Ian, and today have I got an exciting build for you too. Okay, so this started out as a bathroom, and when you first see it, it looks really dilapidated and just absolutely awful. And what I've done is I've totally transformed it. So let's check it out. So this was a toilet in desperate need of modernization. As you can see, that the actual floor had worn out. This is the old sink, and it had an overflow that was draining into it, which I'd never seen before. Very interesting setup. So it was quite a challenge. The walls themselves were just block, so I was going to actually plaster the walls, and my plan was to get this done and to have a happy customer. So we started by plastering the walls, getting all of that together, getting the flooring done so it all looks beautiful, and it was a very interesting project actually. It was took quite a lot of effort to get it to look as good as it did in the end. We're just testing out the flush, making sure it's all functioning. So it's all part of the due diligence, making sure everything's like done properly. There's some check, install, check again, that kind of attitude. I'm not obsessive at all. A little bit actually, to be fair. I'm quite a perfectionist when it comes to everything. As you can see from this is not quite the end result. It is coming up shortly. I still have quite a bit of boxing work to do looking at that photo. And again, a lot of painting. So this is the final one. Without the actual loo seat on it. Just beautiful. That's what it is. It's absolutely beautiful. So if you want to find out what other things I do, just go to my website, go to my YouTube, have a look and see what I do. The best way to contact me is through WhatsApp. That's the only way that I respond is via WhatsApp. I do get quite a lot of messages. I don't want to like flex and say, oh, but I do genuinely get a lot of people that want my work. And hopefully you can see why they want my work. The end result of this is pretty spectacular. The customers are very, very happy. There's about 14 people on site. And so this toilet will be one of the toilets that will be in use, and I'm very proud of the work I do. It's done to a high level, and hopefully you guys can see that, because it makes this room look so much bigger, when you look at it. So take care, have a beautiful day, and if you can be anything, be kind.